This is a brand new iPhone 6s Plus sealed in the box. So this is a very exciting unboxing. This specific iPhone was manufactured in 2018. And I had no idea they were even manufactured for that long. So this was sealed in the box for only 3 years, but nonetheless this is still a brand new iPhone 6s Plus sealed. And this only cost me like around 500 bucks. And I'm gonna unbox it because it's about time this phone saw light. And I've checked on the Apple website, check covers. This has never been activated, so this is legit. Here we go, very exciting. Wow, look at that, that is just beautiful. Wow, this is very, very beautiful. In the box, we have the AirPods, the charging brick. This is from the UK, so ignore that. And the charging cable. Look at how much we got in the box compared to what we get now. And our SIM ejector tool. Our manual, ooh, even Apple stickers, nice. All right, let's see if this has any juice left. Yeah, nothing is happening, so the battery is probably dead. Because it has been sitting for 3 years. All right, we're gonna try and plug this in. We're using the original cable that it came with. Using my phone to record. Yep, the battery is dead. So we're gonna let it charge for a bit and then try again. Alright, so it charged it for a little bit. It booted up while it was charging, so I missed the first boot, but that doesn't matter. As you can see, this is the old startup menu. I think this is iOS 9 or 10. So I'm just gonna set this up and we'll see what we get, what we have, yeah. And there you go. This is our iPhone 6s Plus, brand new. Oh, that was a bit of a lag there. But as you can see, is that 3D touch? I don't know, I'm kind of like an iPhone noob. But it seems like it works just fine. Let's see our iOS version. Alright, this is iOS 12.1.4. Alright, good. It jumps right into iOS 15. Which is amazing that this phone still supports iOS 15. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna update the phone to iOS 15. And then I'm gonna factory reset and set it up as closely as possible to my iPhone 13 Pro Max, which might be a bit of a challenge since this is only 32 gigs. But yeah, so far it looks good. All right, see you when it's finished. Oh, also I thought it's worth mentioning that the battery health is 100%, which is pretty impressive. So there we go, we have iOS 15. And so far it works pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up. And as soon as I get my case and screen protector, I'm gonna start using this as my daily driver because I wanna keep this phone in perfect condition. Let's see if quick start works. Bring your iPhone near. Yep, there we go. I hope it'll work. Okay, now I gotta scan this, I guess. Case. So while it's doing that, let's just take a look at the difference between the cameras. Like, camera is huge compared to the 6s Plus. So I really like the design on the 13 Pro Max. Alright, so it looks like it's downloading all of my apps. So basically all of these pictures are on iCloud, and if I want to view them, I basically just gotta download them or not. Huh. Okay, I don't know how it works. Point is, now I can use this as my daily driver when I get my case and screen protector. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and short review. I'll give out my full review hopefully in a few weeks once I get everything ready. Alright, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.